Okay, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be covering beFTM. Okay, this is going to be like Beefy escrowed Fantom. I got a beautiful notification today in the Beefy Finance Discord, which I definitely recommend you guys joining. It's a really good way. Twitter and Discord are some of the best ways to stay up to date on cryptocurrency projects and be a part of the community. Okay, a lot of the top crypto projects have really great communities behind them, and Fantom definitely has that. Beefy Finance is awesome. I really like them a lot. We can take a look at the tweet here, okay, and it'll describe it a little bit more. But Beefy just changed Fantom, okay. Introducing BE Fantom, the Beefy escrowed Fantom token is pegged to Fantom and gives stakers access to maximize validator rewards that are typically locked for 1 year. Okay. Now we'll go in here and it just into the article introducing it, just so you guys can see and figure it out what it is a little bit more. As one of our most popular chains, Fantom has a wealth of investment opportunities for Beefy users. Our top DeFi strategists have been working hard in the lab to come up with more ways to maximize your Fantom gains. And this is true, okay? Like Fantom is one of the top DeFi protocols on the rise right now. Definitely, okay? So they're excited to bring the community beFTM. Okay. So what is beFTM? First of all, it simply means Beefy escrowed Fantom. The token is pegged to Fantom and can be staked on the Beefy platform and farms on major dexes. Okay. Dexes are decentralized exchanges. All right. It gives stakers access to maximize validated rewards that typically aren't available to the individual investor without locking Fantom for 1 year. How does it work? Well, users must first deposit their Fantom in the Beefy Delegator vault. All right. Beefy escrowed Fantom is then minted 1-to-1 with the Fantom deposited. The collective pool of Fantom is delegated to Beefy's validator and perpetually locked as long as possible, 51 weeks, to earn maximum validator rewards. We supply 1/15 of the deposit to our validator, so we never hit the delegation limit. By staking our users' Fantom together, the community enjoys a much higher rate of return. So what can I do with Beefy escrow Fantom? All right, so after you get your hands on it, there's a few options you can do to start earning yield. You can stake it on Beefy in the reward pool to earn wrapped Fantom reward share. That's W Fantom, wrapped Fantom. You can stake Beefy escrow Fantom on Beefy to earn more Beefy escrowed Fantom, or you can stake it in Beefy escrow Fantom / Fantom farms on all the major dexes, right? And then it says, where to get it. Apart from minting it on Beefy, you'll also be able to trade the token on dexes. All major Fantom dexes, included Beethoven X, Spirit, Solidly, and Spooky, will offer pools for trading. All right. So with Beefy, there's no need to accept anything less than maximum Fantom rewards. As the first in the DeFi space to offer this strategy, we're excited to help you earn more. To bump up your gains, head to the Delegator Vault and start minting your own Beefy escrow Fantom. So yeah, I'm just really excited for this, guys. You can take a look at the website here. This is the vault. Okay, total value locked is currently right around 130 grand. It's very new. Okay, this is just coming out. I haven't even gotten into it at all yet. This is the first time I'm really covering it. All right, 25% APY right now. 0.06 daily return. All right. So this is where you would come to mint it. Basically, you would come in here and you connect your wallet to Fantom, make sure it's on the Fantom network, and you would come in here and you would put your Fantom in here and exchange it, okay, and mint it into Beefy escrow Fantom. Now the safety score here, okay, it's got a 9. All right, this is really nice. It's a low complex strategy. The strategy has been battle tested, very low or 0 expected impermanent loss. That's what IL stands for. All right. It's got a micro market cap, extreme volatility asset. All right. And that just means exactly what it says. Okay. It's a micro market cap right now, extremely volatile. But it's been platform audited by a trusted reviewer and the project contracts are verified. The higher the Beefy score, the safer your investment. I really like them a lot. Okay. It breaks down the strategy and we kind of already, went over that a little bit. But yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome. I'm really excited about this news. And let me see here. We'll go over to Beethoven X. All right. Beats.fi. this is one of the places where you that they mentioned. All right, let me know which video you guys, which platform you guys want me to make a video on next for your beFTM. All right, there's Beethoven X, there's Spirit Swap, okay, there's Spooky Swap, and there's Solidly. All right, all four of these platforms right here, as they mentioned in here, are going to be the major Fantom dexes that will offer liquidity pools for trading. All right, and Fantom is really all about I mean, it's not all about getting into liquidity pools and yield farming and things like that, but that's one of the major advantages, and that's one of the major things pushing the community behind Fantom and the Fantom token is the whole DeFi space, right? And being it in just really low cost as far as like transaction fees, right? It's super low cost, and then it also offers some really, really good returns. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Just wanted to give you guys an update real quick, let you know what's going on. All right, none of this is financial advice. Of course, do your own research, look into things. Crypto is always going to be there's always going to be a certain level of risk involved with crypto, but Beefy Finance is a pretty well trusted platform, and a lot of people use it. I definitely like Beefy Finance, and I was really happy to see this today. Okay, I couldn't wait to make a video on it, so that's what I did. I made a video on it real quick for you guys. If you got any crypto pairs, crypto tokens, anything like that you want me to make a video on, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, I do viewer requests every week, and I'll be covering whatever you guys want me to. Okay.